Welcome to our Sansang facility of龙盟 Group. The facility is to make the stone paper for generations. We will introduce different kinds of machine manufacturing.
Combining R&D, production, sales, and service,龙盟has revolutionized an ancient paper-making process with an innovative and eco-friendly stone paper. It is the world's only company to systemize its production chain. Paper is indispensable for urban life. Stone paper is more environmental and can save money. Does this change how you see paper?
Welcome to our paper made from stone secret hideout. We already have some of the Fortune 500s using our composite material made from stone. Our mission is to be environmentally profitable. Why our goal is to use as much as stone powder as possible in our composite material is because, firstly, we can minimize water and air pollution because we do not use acid, base, or bleach in our production. Secondly, we can help carbon neutral as each ton of stone paper can reduce 900 kilograms of CO2. Thirdly, our material cost composition has huge cost saving advantage, up to 40% when compared to pulp paper.
As I described before, the facility in Sansang is R&D center. At the beginning, we just try to let the company to have this kind of function to develop the stone paper. But finally, we find the R&D is not the only result. We have to get a benefit. So we reconstruct the facility to become a production facility. Then we develop several steps of manufacturing process. And our top difficulty is the finance. Through the finance, then we can develop and make the good product, economical product to replace paper and plastic. Quality is the main issue. Compared with traditional paper is to cut a tree, then bleach the wood, then use the pulping method to make the fiber. Use the 14 process to make the process. So through this process, he had to use a lot of bleaching material, high S and high concentrate of chemical material. But our process is to use the stone powder combined with adhesive material to make the paper. So in this process, we did not have any water environmental issue or the air pollution issue. I think the most difficult part to develop stone paper is how to sell and advertisement to the world. Let the world have more people to acknowledge this kind of material, because this can be decrease the plastic content about 70–80%, and also it's cheaper than the paper if we have economic growth and capacity increase. This is the reason that our third generation to develop for the future. Because we do not use a lot of alcohol and ash, and this kind of paper makes pure by the cooling method and high pressure. So the process is not like the paper, the traditional pulp paper. And the traditional pulp paper need to use a high S, high bleaching. The water is so contaminated. You need to use a special method to get rid of this kind of water. So our process is green, environmental friendly.
We have two major businesses. One, we sell plants of machinery, so local investors can have access to our clean technology. With each 60,000 tons per year plant at $100 million investment, we already half the equivalent pulp paper plant investment and double the return. Secondly, our main composite material for the next generation is our corrugated cardboards. These reusable and recyclable cardboards can be made into cartons, that is, waterproof and durable. So the boxes can be cleaned, stored, and be reused over and over again. With each reuse, we can save more trees, more water, and reduce more CO2.
在我后面这里就是今年度首度推出的秋刀鱼鱼箱，它每年有一定的数量，依照政府的配额再去做一定数量的箱子。然后再往上看，这边是今年度配合政府经济部工研院所做的那个快递箱子。这部分就列为今年度还有明年度的重点。我们的瓦楞纸箱的好处就是说可以防水、耐冻、防霉。
As global citizens, we have a responsibility to reduce carbon and protect the planet. New eco-friendly technologies need the support of global consumers. Manufacturing stone paper produces low amounts of carbon and pollution. This paper can also replace plastic products, making it an eco-friendly option for consumers.
So we want to use more than 60% of stone powder to firstly, economically replace paper, and secondly, environmentally reduce use of plastic. We are super happy and excited to receive recognition from Taiwan Excellence for our notebooks and cartons made from stone.
To develop the market is very difficult. You have to let everybody know the advantage of this material. For example, we are developing the corrugated box. The reason is because he can resist minus 40 degrees of temperature. And also, he will not break after it's thrown to the floor. So it is very good protection material. So in order to make this material to spread around the world, we need help from everybody to recognize this product and understand the environmental importance of the world.
石头造纸，创新科技，龙盟